G'day everybody, welcome back to another episode of Crafted by Tim. Today we're going to be making sort of like a greenhouse thingy with some PVC piping and a whole heap of these PVC part fittings and stuff. Let's get set. So this is the thingy that we're going to redo because it's a bit flimsy, and I reckon it could look a little better. Okay, so this should go some of this. So we have coupling there. We have then this threaded attachment thingy that goes there. This thing that goes onto said threaded attachment thingy. Some of that. And then that goes down. Something like that. I don't know what I'm doing. Huh. I almost got that exactly right just by eyeballing. In fact, it probably is. Yeah, it's pretty damn close. It says that you needed maths. Just eyeball everything. That's how I get by. It's super bright outside today. Sorry for squinting. But that only took me like, I don't know, 40 minutes maybe? It didn't take very long at all. It was actually a really easy build. The problem that I had though was that everything kept falling apart, so you might want to use PVC cement, in which case then you can't take it apart. So I didn't really want to go for the PVC cement. Like I showed you with the heat gun, really easy way to join PVC like that, so you don't have to go out and get couplings and stuff like that. But overall, super easy build. Hope you guys enjoyed this episode. If you did, leave a like and maybe a sub. If you have any suggestions, leave a comment down below. I always try and answer every single question that you guys ever have, so just, you know, if you have any questions, queries, or if you have suggestions, I love hearing them. Leave a comment, and I'll see you all in the next episode. But until then, remember to stay safe, happy crafting, and as always, cheers.